Revolutionize your digital messaging with Synthesys Studio. Say goodbye to bland content and hello to dynamic engagements. Hey there! Welcome to this exciting video where we'll introduce you to the game changer in the world of digital messaging, Synthesys Studio. If you're tired of bland and costly content that fails to engage your audience, get ready to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology that awaits you. Say goodbye to robotic voices and expensive equipment. Let's dive in and see how Synthesys Studio can transform your digital presence. 1. Elevate your digital messaging. Synthesys Studio is the ultimate solution for businesses of all sizes looking to take their digital messaging to new heights. Get ready to say hello to dynamic and engaging content that captivates your audience like never before. 2. Dynamic text-to-speech and text-to-video. Our text-to-speech and text-to-video tools offer vibrant and dynamic voices and videos that connect with your customers on an emotional level. Establish trust and authority with clear and natural voiceovers and talking head videos, building lasting relationships with your brand. 3. Endless voiceover options. Say goodbye to the limited choices of voiceovers. Our AI voice generator grants access to over 374 different voices in more than 140 languages. Customize the narrative, speed, and overall feel to create a unique and trustworthy voiceover experience for your audience. 4. AI Video Generator. Unleash creativity. Ready to create your own stunning videos? Our AI Video Generator has got you covered. Choose from over 60 human-trained AI avatars and 50-plus premium templates to craft a unique virtual spokesperson. No need to hire actors or invest in expensive equipment. It's all here. 5. Captivate your audience. Synthesys Studio enables you to create professional quality videos that capture your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression. Elevate your messaging with visuals that set your brand apart from the competition. 6. Grow your business with Synthesys. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Synthesys is the answer to growing your business and enhancing your digital presence. Trust us to transform your content into a remarkable digital asset that truly speaks to your audience. So there you have it, the incredible power of Synthesys Studio. Say goodbye to bland and expensive content and say hello to dynamic and engaging messaging. Transform your digital presence with Synthesys and stand out in the competitive market. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to check out Synthesys Studio for yourself. Like and subscribe for more tech updates and see you in the next video.